Welcome to Lesson 21B, Display Templates in MVC. Display templates are templated helpers that enable you to build a user interface based on your data model. There are three helper methods in a display extensions class. The display helper returns HTML markup for the particular property in the model, where the property is identified via a string expression. The display for helper also returns HTML markup for a particular property in the model. However, with this helper, the property is identified via a strongly typed expression. The display for model helper returns HTML markup for all of the simple properties in the model. Custom display templates are stored in a display template subfolder of the Views folder. They can be either regular view pages or view user controls. The system looks for an appropriate display template in the following locations. First, it looks in View Controller Name Display Templates Template Name, and then Views Shared Display Templates Template Name. The template name is determined by looking at the model metadata and the property's data type. This is the order in which template names are searched. Template hint from model metadata, data type name from model metadata, name of the type, string if the object is not complex, and object if the object is complex. In this lesson, you use the built-in display templates to display the information found in a simple model. There are no lesson requirements. To get started with this lesson, select New Project, ASP.NET MVC2 Web Application, and enter Lesson 21B for the name of the application. Finally, click the OK button. Click the Models tab and click Add Class to add the Contact class. And then click the Add button. Add a couple usings at the top to import the system.component model namespace and the system.component model.data annotations namespaces. And add all the properties. The first property is the name, which is going to be required, then the age, which is required, and finally the email address, which is also required. Build the application. Create a new folder under the Views folder called Contact. Right-click the Contact folder and add a new view. Name the new view Details and click the Create a Strongly Typed View checkbox and select the Contact data class. The view content will be empty, and go ahead and click the Add button. All we need to do is add one line of code. This is HTML.display model 4, and it will display all of the simple fields from our model. Last thing to do is to add a new controller named Contact Controller. Click the checkbox and click the Add button. Navigate to the Details Action method. Define a new contact, and then set some values for the new contact, and return the contact in the view. and click the F5 button to run the application. Navigate to contact/details/1, and there is our record. And even the email address is formatted as an email address. Now let's add a cascading style sheet rule. This is going to change the display label so that it is bold and that it is floats to the left. Click F5 to run the application again. Navigate to the Contact Details 1 page again and refresh the page. And now we have a completely different look.